Here's the Proteus simulation of the full subtractor circuit in our digital electronics series. Here is the input AB, the borrow in, and the output borrow out, and the difference. So let's test and see how it works. So if B in is 1, the output, the difference, and the B borrow out is 1. Now, what if the B in and B in the input is 1? The difference is 0 and the borrow out is 1, and you can verify all of this in the truth table as you can see on screen. So if only B is 1, the output is 1, both the difference and the borrow out. So you can also verify this in the truth table. So what if all pins are 1? The output, the difference is 1 and the borrow out is 1. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe if you are new to this channel, and don't forget to share. Bye.